Dear students, let us continue yesterday's lesson Treasure Island. Yesterday we studied about Blind Pew and Billy and how Billy died, and afterwards what happened we will see today. Treasure Island. So Billy died of massive heart attack, and after that Jim and his mother recovered some money from Billy's pocket as their room rent, and they did not take extra money, just they took room rent of that old pirate. While Jim found an intriguing bundle of papers, and then Jim found some bundle of papers, but they were very complicated papers. He could not understand what was written in those papers, and those papers were wrapped in oilcloths, covered with oilcloth, which he pocketed as payment for his service. Jim took that papers and kept in his pocket, as he had served that old pirate Billy. So, as a service, as he had given the service to that man, old pirate, he took those papers. Alarmed by loud voices, and suddenly Billy and his mother, they heard loud voices outside their restaurant or inn. Jim and his mother fled out into the night and hid as Blind Pew and several pirates arrived and proceeded to ransack the inn. And as soon as they hear the loud voices, they ran out into the night and hid somewhere near that restaurant. And those were the people who came there were Admiral Benbow and his pirates. As Blind Pew and several pirates arrived there, they came there. Blind Pew and other pirates came there and came forward to ransack, means to search the inn, whether that Billy was there or not. They wanted to know, and they wanted to kill him. Blind Pew and the pirates were outraged that what they sought from Billy's sea chest had gone missing. And when Blind Pew and others entered the inn, they searched Blind Pew's sea chest. They checked the sea chest, but it was empty. There were no documents or important papers were missing. And when they came to know that papers were missing, they became very angry. Outraged means become very angry, knowing that Jim and his mother could not have gone far away. They rushed outside, and they guessed that these papers are with Jim and his mother, and they might have been hidden somewhere near the hotel or that inn. So they came out of the hotel and they began to search Jim and his mother. But before Jim, before they could find the fugitives, they were ridden down by several horsemen. And before they search the hidden people, Jim and his mother, suddenly they were attacked by people, some official people with their horses. They came there to attack these people, horsemen. And Jim and his mother saw that their survivors were revenue officers. Jim and his mother saw that the people who came on horseback were revenue officers, income tax officers. They had got the information, they got the information that some pirates are hiding in the hotel, and that's why they came there. Who had been tipped off that there was a pirate ship moored nearby. Those officers were told that there are some pirates and who were hiding nearby that hotel and with their ship. That's why those revenue officers or income tax officers were there. The rest of the pirates had escaped. The remaining pirates had escaped, but Blind Pew lay dead on the ground. When they saw the horsemen attacking them, the other pirates ran away, but only Blind Pew was found there, and he was found dead, where he had been knocked down by one of the horses. How he died? How Blind Pew died? Blind Pew died because one of the horses kicked him and he fell on the ground and he lost his life or he died.